Inventory optimization software versus supply chain platforms. Which one is better for operations teams? Most operations teams get this wrong by thinking that managing inventory and managing the entire supply chain are the same thing. The surprising truth is that inventory optimization software and supply chain platforms solve different problems, and using the right tool can save millions in costs while improving customer satisfaction. Inventory optimization software, like NetStock or EasyStock, focuses on balancing stock levels, reducing overstock, and avoiding stockouts. It uses demand forecasting, historical sales data, and lead times to suggest optimal reorder points. For example, a retail chain can maintain enough popular items during peak season without tying up capital in excess inventory. This ensures the right products are available at the right time. Sidechain platforms, such as SAP Integrated Business Planning or Oracle's Cloud, manage end-to-end operations including procurement, logistics, production planning, and supplier collaboration. They provide visibility across suppliers, warehouses, and distribution channels. For instance, a manufacturer can track raw material availability, optimize production schedules, and ensure timely delivery to multiple locations. Supply chain platforms are critical for holistic operational efficiency. The key difference is focus. Inventory optimization targets stock efficiency, while supply chain platforms oversee the entire network of operations. Many successful operations teams combine both tools, using inventory optimization to fine-tune stock levels and supply chain platforms to coordinate suppliers, logistics, and demand planning. The takeaway is simple: if your priority is reducing carrying costs, improving stock turnover, and preventing shortages, inventory optimization software is essential. If your goal is to manage complex operations, coordinate suppliers, and streamline the flow of goods, supply chain platforms are indispensable. The surprising truth is that integrating both tools empowers operations teams to reduce waste, improve service levels, and maintain agility in an increasingly complex market.